IKEA. Dito kami sa IKEA store para mag-shopping ng desk. Office desk ng asawa ko.
Shopping. Entrada.
Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa entrance. Papasok sa loob ng IKEA. Welcome to IKEA. Coats, $149. This version. That's my husband. Yeah, maybe. Maybe because it's having hole here. Yeah. It's planning to buy for my desk or my sewing machine. It's a table kitchen. It's a kitchen.
Yeah, what color house?
Oh, it's nice. It's nice for the kitchen. This is for small kitchen.
Everything good.
Yeah.
Including the table.
This all is kitchen area. The kitchen area of this part. Wow, it's having a big bread on the table.
It's small.
Let's go. We are going to eat it now. This is stove. Electric stove. $6.49. This wall cabinet for the kitchen. And here you go. Refrigerator.
Very long. There's no code.
I want like this chair. So here you go. This is the first choice of my husband. First choice for his desk. So take a look how much the price of this chair. It's $49.99.
It goes.
It's a nice chair. Nice chair for office chair. Bedroom bed. It's a bed.
There's no more debt.
Toilet stop. Bathroom.
In the every side.
Bed stuff.
You want a simple? Simple desk?
Bedroom for the kids. Bedroom for the kids too also.
That's the one we have home. Well, it's not that high because I cut it.
Closet for the shoes, bag, dress.
Good one.
Mini bedroom. So cute. Bedroom kids. All stock of kids. So cute. So cute. The bedroom for the baby. Bedroom of baby. Baby damulag.
The president chair.
Baby for the girls. Bedroom girls. Oh, it's cute. Then it's having the closet also. Wow, it's so cute. It's cute, the closet. One for the baby. It's a kitchen stuff. Mga kumot, and then the pillows. Bathroom stuff.
Dans une variété de tailles qui nous permettent d'aménager un poste de collecte fonctionnel et aisément accessible. Une invitation à vivre de façon plus durable à la maison. Complément d'information auprès de notre personnel des rayons cuisine et rangement.
It's cute.
The techie.
Yeah,
I mean the top.
for the bathroom. Rubbish bin. For the bathroom. Shower. So guys, malapit na kaming matapos mag-shopping. Meron na kaming napiling desk. So pupunta namin, kukunin na para pupunta sa cashier, magbayad, and then uwian na. So guys, thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget like and subscribe.